Hello everyone, for your information, I am Korean. I used a translator to upload this tutorial. Anyway, let's start. The first Blender file you create will contain a basic cube. Create a mesh tab by pressing the Shift key and the A key simultaneously. Then create a plane and adjust the size and position of the plane appropriately. Once that's done, I'll apply the texture, but you don't have to. I've applied the texture, and now I need to drop the cloth. In the Physics tab, enable collision and don't touch anything. Enable rigid body and change active to passive and the block is ready. Enable cloth for the plane and don't touch it. Then press spacebar and you'll see the plane fall and hit the block. Now, switch to edit mode, right-click on the plane, and press subdivide once to get 4 faces, once more to get 16 faces. If you keep pressing it, it will lag, but this is a calculation phenomenon. So if you repeat it twice, the lag will go away.